how to enable or disable account creation on your store on Bigcommerce is and quick. First open your browser, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click settings and then click display, and now click this, and now click this one here. Wait, here's it, the last one, enable account creation. Now if you want to disable it, click on it and then click save, and you can enable it again whenever you want. Just go to display and enable it. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.